Hmm. So question is there, match the following. There is a two column, the column 1 is there and the column 2 is there. So we have to match the name of the different organism with their common name. So Pennatula, so we can memorize it that it has a pen-like structure. That is why it goes with the C pen. Then Gorgonia is there. It goes with the C fan and it has a fan-like structures, feather-like structure. Then the Menindrina is there. The Menindrina goes with the brain coral and the Adamsia generally goes with the sea animal. So the first, that is the Peninsula, goes with the sea pen, the column V, fourth option, and the Gorgonia basically goes with the first option of the column B, and the third option, that is the Menindrina, it goes with the brain, that is the second option of the column B, and the fourth option, that is the Adamsias, goes with the sea animal, that is the third option. Next question is, which germ layer is absent is the Cnidaria. Then obviously we know that the Cnidaria are basically the diploblastic animal. And if it is a diploblastic animal means they have the two layers present in them. The ectoderm layer is present or endoderm layer is present in them. So which layer is absent? So mesoderm layer is absent in the Cnidaria. So this layer is absent and this layer is generally present in those organisms which are triploblastic, means they have a three different germs layer present in them, and in those organism triploblastic, the mesoderm is generally present between the ecto and the endoderm here in the triploblastic. Okay, triploblastic. The next question is, match the following cell or the structure with their phyla of the origin. Again, we have to match the column A with that of the B. So first one is the flame cell. The flame cell are generally present in the platyhelminthes and they are generally used for the osmoregulation and excretion. Though we have not studied yet, but we'll discuss it later on. So this one is the flame cell, goes with the platyhelminthes. The choanocyte is generally present in the porifera. The choanocyte, we know that these are generally present lining the spongiocele cavity and the canal cells. Okay, and the Nidocyte, as the name suggests, they are present in the Cnidaria, or it is also known as a Coelenterates. The complates are generally present in the Ctenophora, which are generally used for the locomotion purposes. So first option goes with the second option of the column B. Second option, the choanocyte, goes with the fourth option. The third, the Nidocyte, basically goes with the first option, that is Coelenterata, or it is, if it is given Cnidarians, then also it again goes with this option. The fourth option is the complete and it matches with the third option, that is Ctenophora.